Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Ipsy unboxing. Now I'm confused about, I don't know which one this is for sure because last month, so January, the Ipsy Ultimate and the Ipsy Glambag were the exact same size. Not for sure which one this is. With the feel of it, I'm going to go with the Ultimate, but who knows. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the Ultimate. The Ultimate is $50 a month. Says feel the love, must be Valentine-y. Maybe this time I'll get a card because last time I didn't get a card. I watched other YouTubers and they got the little card that told how much something was, and I didn't. I was kind of like, why not me? First thing in here is the bag this month. I really like it. It's super soft. And it's pretty big too. Like, I feel like I could, it stinks though, but it's really soft. It even has like a little like tiny pocket thing here. So this would be good for traveling if you did that sort of thing. I don't. Not very often anyways. So, oh, the first thing in here is actually something that I redeemed for points. Ofra, and it's from the Madison Miller collection, and it is the highlighter Moon Dance. So that's what it looks like. I thought that was perfect for my skin tone. Go ahead and add. I know my cheeks are already glowing, but let's just add. See if we can add any more. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty poppin'. Love it. I love highlighter. Good. Now to get in with the actual things that came in the box this month. Ooh, I cannot get over that highlight. I got some more sheet masks. There's 3 of them in here, and they're from Sweet Chef again. And we have, this one is Beat of My Heart. Oh, maybe Dwight Schrute would like this. So there's that one. And then this one is Kale. Kale. And then this other one is Ginger. Okay, they're sheet masks. I have been trying to use more sheet masks here lately, but it's still hard to use a lot of sheet masks for me. Okay. Next is in here is from that brand Cella, Cella, Sila, Lula, Babula, something with an accent over the top. And this is their very best cream. What did I get last time? Was it a scrub? I guess this is a hand cream to go with the scrub. Body cream, okay. Kind of smells like a fruity cookie. Like a lemon cookie or something? Orange. It was an orange cookie. I knew it was something citrus. Orange and grapefruit essential oils. Okay, that's why I thought it smelled like a cookie. Lemon cookie. Because it was just citrus. Okay, the next thing in here is from Shayna B. And it is brushes. A brush set. For an eye brush set. Which would be nice because my makeup on normally is upstairs and where I'm filming is downstairs. So I have like 2 separate locations for brushes, and I'm kind of running out of brushes upstairs because my color swatch thing is down here. So I need some more brushes upstairs, so this will be nice. It says what these brushes are for. That's kind of nice because it would just be a guessing game, whatever I want to use them for. This one is a blending brush. Yep. One is a smudge brush. Smudge underneath the waterline here on the lower lash. We have a shadow brush. Pack the shadow on, right? Shadow brush is supposed to do. This is a concealer brush, which I actually have one of these that I've been using because I have been like sculpting my eyebrows a little bit more since I got that thing in BoxyCharm from the billion dollar brows, whichever one it is. But I've been putting that on and then like using this to like one of these to smooth it out. A crease brush. So those seem like they're nice quality. No complaints here. Next is from Yvette. Isn't it Yvette? Is Yvette the expensive stuff that I've been getting in BoxyCharm? This is a water flash coconut water. And it's a cream. Apply after applying the essence. Generally apply an appropriate amount to the skin along the skin's texture and pat your skin to enhance absorption. So it is a face product. Looks like we're getting all of the deluxe samples out of the way here. We have Skylar, another hydrating body lotion with hyaluronic acid. I already had a body cream. And this is Capri Sparkling Citrus Sweet. No parabens. I don't even know if I'd be able to smell a difference now, having the other one on already. I'll put it on this hand. I am not seeing a card in here. That smells good too. It's not quite as thick as the other one, maybe a little bit waterier. I don't want to say it's like water, but it's just not, it's thinner than the other one, the Kella something. Okay, what's next here? We have Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. I hope this doesn't smell like coffee because I don't like coffee. Here we also have the Genuine Lapland Cream. I can't read this. This balm, concentrated in Arctic berries, revisits the ancestral beauty secrets of Lapland women. From the first applications, lips are hydrated. Okay, I was like, another cream? Are you kidding me? I don't want to put any on my lips. There we go. I can't really figure out what it smells like. Made in France. So there's that. Next we have in here is a Berry Burst palette from Violet Voss. I like Violet Voss items. I don't remember what I picked. What is that? Like for the choice this month. I don't remember. Just get the scissors. This is what it looks like. Cute. And here are the shades. This is called a fun size palette. But it's really pretty. I feel like this is stuff that I tend to gravitate towards a lot. I'm trying to think. I have a really big Violet Voss palette. It probably came in BoxyCharm. I think it was like one of the Boxy Luxe ones. And I'm trying to think if any of these shades look familiar. And they kind of do, but this would be nice in case I ever go on a vacation. I maybe would like to take this with me if it's good enough quality. I can make a lot of looks out of it. So, because I think you could like go with brown or red or a pinky shade or a mix of both, and you can get quite a few looks out of this if you wanted to take it somewhere. You sure there's no paper in here? No. Okay, this is from Grace and Stella. This rose ain't thorny. Oh, it's the rose roller instead of a jade roller. The rose roller. Oh, it does actually say rose roller on here if I just read. You have 2 jade rollers in the house, but I put them in different locations because I use them. I usually just use them one at night, and then if I get headaches, sinus headaches, I'll like use it on my eyebrow area, and that really helps get rid of my headaches. Fancy case for a jade roller, rose roller. So this is technically my first rose roller. Oh, the box is cute. It's really heavy. Wow. Are the different materials, like the one's jade, one's rose, are they supposed to have any different benefits? Oh, it's cold. It feels good. track of everything. I feel like I'm losing things here. I'm just setting them everywhere all over the desk. What's this big old thing? It's a hand cream. I mean, this packaging is really cute. It's jasmine, salted grapefruit, honeysuckle, sandalwood. Hand cream. I just got 2 samples of hand cream. I mean, I understand. I guess 2 of them technically body lotions. But still, 3? Tokyo Milk. I feel like I've gotten something from Tokyo Milk before. A lip gloss. I mean, yes, the packaging is absolutely adorable. But, I mean, I know it's still winter season, but I'm not bathing in body lotion. Where am I gonna put this to smell it? Something about this scent that like brought back an instant like nostalgia, just like scene of somewhere, like whenever I was little, and it's shopping at a Macy's. I don't know what it was. It's kind of weird, like just smell it and like boom, it took me back to like just a picture of being at one of my local Macy's. That's kind of weird. It smells good. There's a little hint of something in there that's weird, but I don't know what it is. Packaging cute. Do I need 3 hand cream, body lotions? Not at one time. Then here is New Day Mist 3-in-1 Style Refresh Neroli water with sugarcane extract. Is this... Wait, is this... Removes dents from your hair. Oh, this is a hair product. I was about to spray this on my face. Perfect for removing dents from hair ties or creases from sleep while leaving your blowout intact. Lightly mist over problem areas, tousle with fingers, or brush through to reset. Use fingers, mold previous waves or curls back into place. Interesting. I'm gonna spray it. I have my computer right here, so I want to make sure I spray it away from that. How many lids does this thing have? 2, apparently. So. Stay away from the computer. I can smell like the sugar, because it said pure cane sugar. It smells sugary. It smells good. Figure that out. How to use that. That's what it looks like. Okay, 2 more things in here. This is a rose petal facial mask. Ultra concentrated toning gel. How to use. Cleanse your face with warm water and dry thoroughly. Apply the mask to dry face and leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse off and dry face. Is this a rose one? Oh, I have the rose roller and a rose face mask now. This looks weird. I was expecting this to be like bright pink or light baby pink, rosy pink. Oh, it smells like roses. I'm a rose fan. But the stuff is weird. Maybe it's like natural and not fake baby pink. This is weird. Okay, please don't make a mess. Please don't make a mess. That smells like rose. And there's like little rose chunks, I guess, inside of it. Interesting. Let me check. Card? Anywhere? No. Rude. Okay, last thing in here is Fully Fire, right? Fully Fire Cream Matte Lipstick in the shade Sunset Boulevard. Kind of a neat packaging. Oh, I can see me wearing this quite often. Oh, I don't want to put on the rose stuff. Ooh, that's soft. Ooh, I like that. That is very pretty. Love it. So let me see if I can go through my, pull up my Ipsy account, and we'll see how much some of this stuff is. So some of this like pink petal stuff is, rose mask thing is on my hand, and it kind of, like the petal part of it dried out. It looks like a booger. So maybe it might look like you have boogers all over your face whenever you wear it. That's pretty cool. Okay. Hand cream. Ipsy is saying the normal price of it is $22. Value of the lip cream is $11. I assume this is a full size. I don't know if they're a set or not, but it's saying full size is suggested retail price is $10.50. Tell me that I did pick the Berry Burst palette. So its full size value is $18. Facial mask is $55. I should be writing these things down. This was one of the sample sizes, so I don't know how much it is. Maybe I will put on this screen whenever I look up the full size value of that cream. It does tell me how much the full size of this is just a deluxe sample. I'd call this just a regular sample. But the full size value of this product is $21.95. That, like the value of this box, really. Okay, this hairspray stuff that you put in your hair, full size of it is $24. Deluxe sample, the full size of it is $28. Product is $15. Is $29. You can get one at TJ Maxx for $9. The brushes are $60. Who is this Shayna B? Am I supposed to know her? The person? I don't know. I've never heard of this person. Okay. Okay, that just threw me off a little bit here. Okay, so I'm gonna add up this stuff and see what we got here of just the full-size product values. So with just, if I did everything correctly, just the prices of the full-size things, the box came to about $241. Good price, that's a good value for everything. I wasn't overly overwhelmed by the things in this box. Especially since I got 3 types of lotion products. Last time I got like a whole bunch of different lip balms, and then this month was lotion. So I don't know if they're just trying to be like, oh, it's cold, it's winter, here's ways to keep hydrated. But one would have been fine. The other one could have been the highlighter. Love highlighter. Or just something else, except for black eyeliner. We don't need to do that. But, I mean, I'm still going to stay subscribed to it. I mean, it was just, I wouldn't even call it, I mean, it's not a bad box. It's just, it didn't overwhelm me. I still like the box, still going to get it. But, and I love the bag. The bag was cute. That's my opinions on the Ipsy Glambag Ultimate. Should be getting the Plus and the regular bag soon, and then I will also be uploading a try-on video of all the Ipsy products. So thanks for watching this video. Bye!